Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. We've got this Mercedes E-Class 2016 in, and what we've done is we've done a full complete integration kit with a front camera. As you can see, that's nicely mounted there in the factory location, and it's fully integrated into the factory system with the additional HDMI connection that allows you to also mirror your phone. So as you can see, this is the car. So we got the screen on. That's your factory system, all intact, and this allows you, the new system allows you to switch by pressing and holding your factory button, and you get the front camera. As you can see, nice and clear, full HD. And also with the additional system you also got is the phone mirror function. So at the moment we've got the iPhone connected here using HDMI into the factory system, and if you press and hold the button, as you can see, we got YouTube playing at the moment, a video, and it runs all through the factory system. And the sound,
our top story: actor, director, and odd-nostriled punchline Zach Braff
as you
has
can hear,
successfully
the sound is also coming through the system as well. So you got full phone mirroring function that allows you to watch anything you want, Netflix, YouTube, anything on the factory screen. So yeah guys, if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call, give us a shout, and yeah, don't forget to make sure you like and follow guys. Thank you.